What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, then welcome. My name is Tiara Hogan, the creator of Hello Hogan, and I'm super excited that you are joining me today. If you're watching this video, that means that you are interested in how to get your hair to look ready after you sleep on it. This is going to show you my morning routine. And now, I want you guys to keep in mind that today's morning routine is done on day 3 hair. Day 3 hair is typically the best day of hair. Day 3 hair is the perfect mixture of volume and definition. Day 3 hair is like, girl, you need to go on a date and find a man today. Day 3 hair is like, you need to be on the cover of Essence. Day 3 hair is like, I'm getting a ton of likes on my Instagram selfie. Day 3 hair is everybody coming up to you asking you what products you use. Day 3 hair is the best day of hair for me. With that being said, my morning routine doesn't really differ so much from day to day, but today is definitely the best day in my wash and go pattern. So if you guys are ready to go, then let's go. Here is my morning routine on short, natural hair. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much what my hair looks like every morning. Nice and flattened, matted. I had a hidden clip in there this particular morning. Cannot leave the house with it looking like this. So I always start by kind of fluffing it out with my hand, as you can see. If you define your curls right, putting your fingers and fluffing it out like this, it shouldn't mess with the definition too much. I like to call this the assessing the situation portion of my morning routine, especially with the back, because the back is so much shorter than the top. It tends to get a little bit frizzier, a little bit faster than the top of my head. So, and because it's in the back and that's how I sleep on the back, it typically is more matted than the rest of my hair. So I always kind of check it out, see if I need to redefine it or if I can just pick it out. Today I decided to go ahead and do a little bit of extra redefining. Now all I'm using here is a little spray bottle with water, aloe vera juice, and jojoba oil. You guys, you do not need to spend extra money on a refresher spray. You can definitely make it yourself. Super simple, super easy, and probably healthier for your hair. So now I'm just gonna redefine the back. I sprayed some water. I'm going to grab my dimming brush and brush through a little bit. Clearly I'm singing something. To define my curls today, I use Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. It's very important to use the same defining gel that you used when you first did your wash and go. You don't want to mix formulas, because then that can definitely lead to flaking, and we definitely don't want any flaking. So now I'm just kind of using the stripling method to redefine those curls. So after I redefine, I check it out, see what it's looking like, and I'm gonna move on. And now I move to the top. I just kind of go through and I look for any curls that seem to be a little bit more frizzy than the others. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want it to be somewhat defined. So when I'm doing individual little pieces, I always use my little gel brush to kind of get it going, especially with my longer hair at the top. It just kind of helps get that spiral. So now I spray on a little oil sheen. This adds moisture. It uncrunches the hair. It just gets rid of that gel cast mold so that it's easier for me to pick it out. And that is Dark and Lovely's. If you want the details for that spray, check out the little info below. So now I just pick through my little afro. I typically, when I pick through, I go in right at the root. Going in right at the root makes it so that the tips of my hair stay somewhat defined, but I'm still getting that volume that I like. And honestly, I just pick until I get the desired size or shape that I'm looking for. Woo! Look at that volume. Finally, I kind of moved to the edges. I'm not huge on the baby edges, but I tried to slick them down just a little bit, just to give it that clean look. And to get them to kind of stick and stay, I use Ebin New York's gel, which is kind of a new product that I've been using for my edges. And that is the finished product. Alright you guys, if you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay up to date with all of my latest videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's hello_hogan.com. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below and share this video with all of your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check back next week for another new video.